Today on Designing Spaces, emergency lighting essentials, home tips from Frontdoor Live experts, how to keep your pool clear from algae, innovative home solutions for winter, plus creating a spa-like escape at home with saunas. Time to design. According to data from the U.S. Energy Information Administration, power outages due to rising energy demands or severe weather events are happening more often and lasting longer. From sudden blackouts to lingering brownouts, families are feeling the effect.
And right at the good part.
Again?
Hey, Mom! Dad!
The night
lights.
Ow! How'd you sleep?
Not great. This can't keep happening.
I'm reading this article about brownouts and blackouts due to the overwhelmed power grid as well as from severe weather, and apparently it's not going to get any better.
Yeah, well, it seems like it's been happening more and more every day.
It also says that experts recommend preparing children ahead of time, and it can ease their anxiety and help kids feel more in control.
Well, that sounds like a good suggestion.
And see what portable lights we can find.
For over 125 years, Energizer has been leading the charge as experts in portable power and lighting innovation.
At Energizer, our mission is to deliver innovative lighting solutions to enhance people's lives. Using portable lights can be empowering, especially in emergency situations like power outages and other weather-related emergencies. Being prepared is key to peace of mind.
We got a delivery.
I love Amazon Day.
This lantern's gonna be perfect for the garage.
Our weather-ready lantern is Energizer's most useful emergency lantern. It has exceptional brightness and excellent runtime, which make it an ideal lantern to have in an emergency situation. You can use either AA or D batteries, so you can use whichever you have on hand. A glow-in-the-dark button helps you quickly turn on the light and adjust the modes. High mode can fill up a whole room, while a nightlight mode has soft illumination. It also includes a USB port, so you have the ability to charge your devices. The Energizer rechargeable lantern with a digital power indicator lets you see how much power you have left, as well as adjust your brightness to maximize runtime. It includes a nightlight mode, a hanger hook, charging cable storage, and it's very compact and easy to use and store.
Check these out. They're flashlights that you plug into the wall. They're rechargeable. And when the power goes out, they automatically turn on.
That's super useful. And I noticed there's 3 in here. They come in gray and white, so you can pretty much put them anywhere.
Designed for emergency situations, this flashlight recharges by plugging into the wall, so it's always charged and ready to keep your family safe. Leave the switch in the on position while it is plugged into the outlet, so the flashlight turns on automatically when the power goes out, making it an easy-to-find handheld flashlight. Energizer has a wide range of headlamp offerings, providing a hands-free experience, perfect for any emergency situation, whether it's a power outage, helping your family, or cleaning up from a storm. Our headlamps are compact, lightweight, durable, and easy to use and store. They have a red LED mode, which preserves your night vision. They include an adjustable strap for comfort and come in a variety of colors.
I'm super excited about these. These are kits I got to keep in different areas of the house. And I got one for Benji's room. I think he's going to love it.
Energizer's preparation kit includes a headlamp, a 2-in-1 flashlight that doubles as an area light, 3 sets of backup batteries for each light, and a storage case that's portable and easy to store. It's perfect for a storage closet, in the car, basement, or wherever you may need it. The flashlight features a red flashing mode and is water resistant, great for roadside emergencies. It floats if it's dropped in water, and it has a magnet for hands-free use. Whatever your family's needs, Energizer has the solutions to light the way.
I see you found another use for your headlamp.
Well, I'll be prepared.
go check on the kids.
Okay.
Hey, bud, just checking in on you.
That was out again, Dad.
Oh, looks like you got it all handled.
Power outages can be unsettling, but with a little planning, they don't have to be chaotic. The key is preparation, because when the lights go out, peace of mind is just as important as a flashlight. You can find all of the portable lighting solutions featured today on Amazon.com, Energizer.com, or you can always go to our website, designingspaces.tv. The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
Cleaning your gutters prevents winter temperatures and excessive rain from causing problems and preventing costly and untimely repairs. Gutters should be cleaned twice a year, but if you live near a lot of trees or at a high elevation, you may need to clean the gutters more frequently. Here are a few safety tips to consider. Use a sturdy, high-quality ladder. Always have someone hold the ladder to help ensure the stability and to be a safety buddy. Make sure to maintain 3 points of contact while going up and down the ladder. Inspect the gutters ahead of time to ensure there are no animals nested inside. Wear eye protection and gloves when cleaning. And remember, if you don't feel comfortable doing the job, you can hire a professional to do it for you.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get 1 free video chat with a home repair expert.
Algae is one of the most common problems pool owners face, but with the right care, you can keep it at bay. At HTH, we offer a family of products to tackle all your pool's needs, including algae. Today, I'm with the McDonald family to explain why and how it happens, and more importantly, how to treat it.
Lately, I've noticed the water's turned a bit green and there's some algae on the walls. I'm not sure what's causing it.
Algae is a common issue, but don't worry, we have a plan for you. To get your pool back to sparkling, the key is following a regular maintenance routine with HTH products. Step 1. Test and balance your water using HTH 6-way test strips.
Got it. So by testing and balancing weekly, I can keep the algae away?
Exactly.
Great.
The next step is to sanitize your pool weekly with one of our HTH chlorine products. And remember to shock your pool weekly with Cal Hypo.
That's great to know. Is there anything else I should do to prevent algae?
Yes. You're going to want to add an algicide to ensure algae-free swimming. It's a great preventive measure that works alongside your weekly maintenance routine. Other factors that can contribute to algae include not running the pump long enough, dirty filters, and poor housekeeping, like not brushing or vacuuming regularly.
I need to stay on top of my filter cleaning too.
Absolutely, and be sure to confirm the type of algae before you start treating it. Green algae is free-floating or it clings to the walls, causing green, murky water. Mustard or yellow algae, that looks like dust and brushes away easily, but then it returns. Black algae forms black spots in plaster pools and can embed itself into the pool's surface.
I didn't realize they were different types. How do I keep algae from growing in my pool?
All 3 of HTH's algicide help prevent algae growth. You have HTH Algae Guard 10 is best for treating green algae and should be used weekly. HTH Algae Guard Advanced works on all algae types and should also be used weekly. HTH Algae Guard Plus Ultra provides long-lasting protection against green, yellow, and black algae with a monthly application. And for eliminating existing algae, simply follow the directions on the bottle for treating visible algae.
Sounds like algae prevention is the key.
Absolutely, it is. And to keep your pool algae-free year-round, stick to a weekly maintenance routine. Test and balance your water, sanitize with chlorine, shock weekly with Cal Hypo, and add an algicide.
Sounds like a solid plan. With this routine, I can finally keep algae under control.
Keeping your pool algae-free is easy with HTH. Follow these simple steps and enjoy clear, safe water all season long. For more information, head to hthpools.com or designingspaces.tv.
The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
A refrigerator staying open could cause energy loss and spoiled food. Let's explore what may be the issue. First, check the seal, which can degrade over time and need replacement. Second, use a level and examine if the fridge is on flat ground. Most fridges have adjustable leveling legs, so check to make sure they're all at the proper height.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert. Homeowners Matt and Alex are warming up after braving the frigid winter temperatures outside their Mount Prospect home. They're used to the winter weather, but it's not something to take lightly.
I've been here since I was about 10 years old, and I definitely enjoyed the community, but every winter, it just never gets easier.
I'd say the winters can be very gloomy, and there's a lot of concerns with the home as well.
Some areas these homeowners are most concerned about are their roof, gutters, and pipes.
This home has a big risk in terms of cold weather tied to its gutter system. When we purchased it, that first season where we saw major icicles hanging from it and we could visually see the gutter kind of drooping and hanging from the home. So we knew that that cannot be sustainable, so we had to do something.
I've had a situation where my pipes have burst before, and so that was a challenge, and so I get concerned with that for sure.
This is something Tanea Larry knows all too well. She's an expert from Emerson.
Living in a cold weather climate, that inclement weather can cause ice dams to form on roofs, gutters, and downspouts. Ice dams happen when snow is on the roof of a home and the heat in the attic causes the snow to melt, but then that water accumulates on the eave of the home and forms icicles, and those cause weight onto the eaves of the home and on the downspouts. In addition to ice dams, when you're living in a cold climate, you can also experience bursted pipes, the sump pump no longer working, and a bunch of other things that will cause damage to your walls, drywall, and others. The average damage that occurs from ice dams and pipes bursting in a home can be in between $15,000 to $25,000.
A great solution Matt and Alex have discovered is Easy Heat, an easy-to-install product that can prevent ice dams from forming. Easy Heat also has a way to prevent their pipes from freezing.
When I started doing that research and I saw Easy Heat, what really gave me that peace of mind was understanding that some of their solutions, especially simple things like underneath a sink, underneath a vanity, that I could even install myself. So that really made me excited. But then even the more advanced solutions were easy to understand. They had a lot of information online, and it gave me peace of mind to be able to communicate that effectively to my contractor to install it.
Easy Heat cables add resistant heating in areas where needed. So for instance, on the roof, it provides a path for the snow to melt and to drain properly rather than forming ice dams. In the case of the pipes, it allows for the pipes to have heat so that they don't freeze.
Easy Heat is a really nice product. It's a heat trace that is pretty simple to install. The mounting brackets, the clips are pretty easy to use. You install it and you press to secure it. Pretty simple product.
Easy Heat's a very reputable company. We're one of the first providers of electric heating cables, and for decades we've been supplying homeowners with proper heating cables to protect their homes from costly winter-related challenges.
So yeah, after we looked at it, we decided it was just a no-brainer, and that was the solution we wanted to take to protect our home.
Tanea knows how effective something like Easy Heat can be. Today she's visiting with Matt and Alex to hear firsthand their thoughts about this solution.
Matt, Alex, now that you've had the product installed for a while and got to experience it with a few Chicago winters, how are we liking it?
We love it.
And the installation was so easy. It was great to be able to see that not only just our pipe is protected, but also the roof and gutter is protected. Just really put me at ease of mind.
Well, I'm so glad to hear that you all are enjoying our ice dam prevention and our pipe freeze prevention products. We have other solutions to help weatherize your home, such as our snow melting solutions, which you can embed in your driveways or sidewalks so that you can enjoy the weather from the inside of your home and not have to go and shovel snow and use all of that extra backstrain. And then we also have our floor warming solutions, which can embed in your kitchens and bathrooms. It's another way to elevate this already beautiful home and make it feel even more luxurious.
Well, we've been so happy with Easy Heat so far, so thank you so much for educating us on all these other options. Definitely want to look into them, and thank you so much for coming out today and teaching us all about how to better protect our home.
Thank you all so much for having me.
Thanks so much.
For more information, check out the website below or our website, designingspaces.tv. From valuable health benefits to elevated luxury, saunas can help you create a space that not only looks good, but feels good. Nick and Jessica have definitely taken that into consideration as they've brought to life their own dreamy private getaway for couples, a lavish cabin that gives people the opportunity to escape and explore the mountains of North Carolina.
The inspiration behind it was I proposed to my wife at a couple's getaway up in North Georgia, and it was such a special moment for us. We had such a great time, but we thought there was some things we could improve upon.
We really wanted to build a place where couples could connect with each other and connect with nature.
I'm so excited that you chose Almost Heaven Saunas. Almost Heaven Saunas has been around for about 40 years. We're manufactured in West Virginia, USA, and we are bringing the Finnish tradition of sauna bathing to the US. Here you picked one of my favorite saunas, our most popular. It's a canopy barrel sauna that also has nice seating for cooling off after a hot sauna session. Beautiful glass door. You can walk right in. It's fitted with a beautiful Harvia heater.
So what are some of the benefits of using a sauna?
Yeah, bathing has an incredible amount of health benefits and mental health benefits. From cardiovascular health, a lot of our customers sleep better. They say they're happier, more relaxed, helps with muscle tension, can even boost skin health as well. The benefits are numerous. So this is our cold plunge. It's a perfect complement to any sauna session. Our cold plunge is made with rustic cedar. It has a steel line interior. It's a single person cold plunge, so a quick dip for a single person is great. It comes with one of our smart chillers here. You can adjust temperatures however you like, whatever you're comfortable with. This is one of my favorite products. This is our wood-fired hot tub. What that means is that it doesn't require any electricity, no gas. It's chemical free. All that it requires is that you put in some water, get the fire going, and within an hour or so, you have a wonderful, relaxing hot tub experience.
I think our guests are gonna love these products.
I totally agree. It's gonna be an incredible experience, and they're investing in their wellness.
And they're also reconnecting with nature and each other.
I love it.
Ready for your own slice of heaven? Visit their website, almostheaven.com, or ours, designingspaces.tv, for more information. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.